Daikin's new multi-air conditioner is unobtrusive and maintains all of your interior spaces within a comfortable temperature range with just one outdoor unit. Introducing the VRVS High Efficiency Series. The low height casing design, which is only 870 millimeters high for all models, can be easily hidden, providing a clear and unobstructed view of the scenery. Conventionally, you need the same number of indoor and outdoor units. But with the new VRVS system, all outdoor units can be replaced with just one. Up to 11 indoor units can be connected to make your whole house comfortable. You can choose freely from a wide variety of indoor units to match the purpose of each room. Duct-type units are suitable for interiors that require a non-intrusive design. Ceiling-mounted cassette types blend harmoniously with the ceiling, creating a beautiful space. Wall-mounted types are easy to install to provide more comfort. A wide variety of different indoor unit types are available. The simplified remote controller can be easily operated with only 6 buttons. The intuitive design uses user-friendly pictograms, and the compact size complements any interior design. With the smartphone control system, you can easily monitor and control the air conditioner from anywhere. Thanks to the unique refrigerant-cooled PCB technology and wide-area heat exchanger, the outdoor unit's operating range has been extended to 52 degrees. Your room stays comfortable despite high outdoor temperatures. Nighttime quiet mode suppresses the sound of operation by reducing operating capacity to provide a good night's sleep and maintain a quiet neighborhood environment. The indoor unit's airflow and the temperature of the refrigerant provided by the outdoor unit are controlled according to the heat load of the room. This keeps the room comfortable while minimizing energy consumption. The air conditioner can operate even when the power supply is between 198 and 264 volts. And the unit won't malfunction even with a peak electric load of up to 440 volts. The VRVS High Efficiency Series is available in capacities ranging from 4 to 7 horsepower. Choose the capacity most appropriate for your home. Using the air direction adjustment grill, the airflow can be diverted up, down, left, or right to avoid obstacles. Since the airflow can be easily diverted, the unit can be installed in limited spaces, such as balconies. When an obstacle cannot be avoided using the air direction adjustment grill, a field-supplied duct can be installed, increasing freedom of installation. The external static pressure automatic adjustment function maintains the rated airflow and capacity by adjusting the external static pressure. The actual piping length has been increased to 120 meters. All the units can be installed on the rooftop of residential apartments. Refrigerant can be automatically charged in 2 steps. Refrigerant can be easily charged, and there is no need to recalculate the charge amount due to minor design changes, lowering installation costs.